Mateo built Tsutsi, Mama Swakara, a relaxation center.
You like?
It looks very relaxing.
Yeah. Aici am avut ceapă și acum am pus ridic de...
Nu că vrei să lași ceva la iarnă.
Da, da.
Nu, vreau să zic să...
Să spună el?
Nu.
Dar luați-le astea de care să...
Care?
Numai care sunt copte,
Păi
știi?
da, evident, ăstea care
Dar
sunt noi.
toate. Care
I see a good one here.
Eu crezut că vreți să vă revedeți cu asta.
Încerc.
Back into it. So strong.
I am very strong.
So we're going for caprese right now? Caprese snack?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, we'll make some pesto too.
Are decât sos de roșii.
It's like tomato sauce or more, something like that. This one, and this is the tomato juice slash
That's a lot of
sauce.
zakuska.
Cred că niște pesto, niște busuioc. Here picks out the seeds from tomato.
Scarb la jumătate.
That's a lot of tomato sauce.
It needs to boil until it reduces to half.
For zakuska?
Yes.
Și ai văzut că nu știu cât, dacă e...
This boiled for 3 hours yesterday, and it's been boiling since 8 in the morning today. And it's around 11:30 now. Now you know what a Romanian haircut looks like. Are you Chapamutian? That's not how you say it?
That's not
Chopping mother's onions? No.
Ceapă.
Chapa.
Chapa, but
Oh, that's peppers and onions. So these are roasted peppers.
roasted peppers.
Who roasted them?
My mom. These are Carpathian mushrooms, by the way. My mom was never doing it by hand. She used to do it with the sausage.
Some boiled beans. What is zakuska?
So zakuska is a pepper spread. And there is tomatoes, onion, and it's cooked down. And usually...
Tomatoes, onion somewhere. There's
Roasted
pepper.
peppers.
And you're making 2 kinds of zakuska.
Yeah, beans and eggplant.
Wow.
She's making it.
Wow. Okay, a bonus zakuska no one saw coming. Mushroom zakuska. In goes the tomato juice. So you put the jars on the oven to get them hot. Is that so they don't break when you put the hot liquid in them?
Yeah.
A zakuska taste test.
Yeah.
I would say some salt.
Pour.
They call this the Great Division. It will be put into 3 pots. 1 for mushrooms, 1 for...
Eggplant and 1 for beans. This is eggplant zakuska. Please know that everything is measured by eyes. Also, please know that everything is grown in the garden.
Și atunci, într-una dintre ele pun
Mushroom zakuska. More oil.
Did you know that Mama Swakara holds the world record for most number of zakuska jars filled in a year? How many did she fill?
180 last year, and when me and Anka was in university, 400 jar.
Your favorite is the bean zakuska.
Yeah.
A very special step, and a lot of amateurs miss this, I notice, is grind up some beans and add that to your bean zakuska. How many of your heads do you think would fit in this bowl?
Like
4 or 5?
6. I would go for 6. It's happening.
Jar number 1.
11 jars of eggplant zakuska.
Right? They're gonna cool off.
Nu e ca să se răcească. Oh yeah, it's to slowly cool down.
And this is called the great lidding, right? The great capping.
Yep.
Lidding. Capping.
Yeah.
Lidding?
Capping.
Capping. How heavy is that cheese?
Cât de grei brânza asta, cașul?
Is that your
10 kilos.
That's what a 10 kilogram cheese looks
Am
like.
mâncat la brânză, la tocană cu brânză în urmă.
Spune că nu-i fiert.
Blueberry syrup. You gonna sell these for lots and lots of money?
No, it's for us.
Or for us?
Yes.
The eggplant garden. Look at this. Bimp Eats stole family tomatoes and stole the recipe for focaccia barese. I think we don't need to go to Bari anymore.
No.
So this is what you chose for pickles. And you can
Only
pick
the green ones.
the green ones are for the pickles.
Yes.
The beginning stage of more bouillon. Tomato juice. You get the idea. I'm done showing you tomatoes. But look at this haircut. Look, one sideburn is yay high, the other sideburn is down. It's a Romanian style. It's cool. They say it's cool this way. And very shaved, kind of clumpy here, and then shaved down a little. I found my guy. I found my barber. There you have it. Pickled tomatoes.